Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu Coin on MoonPay application. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. Shiba Inu is key token embodying a global decentralized community-driven currency. To buy Shiba Inu Coin, first open your MoonPay application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your MoonPay account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on buy option at the left side of the application. Then tap on Ethereum. Then on the search bar type Shiba Inu. Then tap on Shiba Inu. Now here you can swap the currency by tapping on two arrow icon at the side. After doing so, here you can enter the amount given by MoonPay by tapping on the amount, or you can manually choose the amount that you want to buy. After doing so, tap on continue at the down. Now here you need to first enter your Ethereum address on the top. If you don't have your Ethereum address, you can select your MoonPay Ethereum, that is your MoonPay wallet address. After doing so, tap on continue at the down. Now here you'll be guided to your web browser. Then here you need to add your payment method. You can see two types of payment method, bank card and bank transfer. I am choosing bank card. Now here you need to first enter your card detail. First, enter your card number on the given box. After entering your card number, enter your expiry date on the given box. Then enter your CVC on the given box. With that, enter your card billing address. If you have already entered your card billing address, you can change it by tapping on update. After entering all your card details, tap on continue at the downside. With that, you'll be able to buy Shiba Inu on your MoonPay application. This is how we can buy Shiba Inu on MoonPay application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.